Welcome to our culinary adventure where today we're unveiling the ultimate sweet and sour pork recipe that promises to tantalize your taste buds and transform your home cooking. Join us as we dive into the flavors and techniques that make this dish a beloved classic around the world. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more delicious discoveries. Get ready for the ultimate sweet and sour pork recipe, perfectly portioned for two. We're not just making any sweet and sour pork, we're creating an unforgettable dining experience. With tender pork fillet, a harmonious blend of spices and that irresistibly tangy sauce, this dish is all about flavor, texture, and a whole lot of love. Let's kick things off with our star ingredient, 500 grams of lean, succulent pork fillet. We've trimmed it and cut it into perfect 3-centimeter chunks, ready to soak up all the flavors we're going to throw at it. Every great dish starts with a great marinade. For ours, we're combining 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 2 tablespoons of Shaoxing rice wine, or dry sherry for that depth of flavor, along with grated garlic and ginger. This marinade is not just a flavor enhancer, it's a promise of the deliciousness to come. But we don't stop there. Our pork chunks are getting a special treatment with a coating that's a blend of corn flour, salt, ground white pepper, celery salt, and a touch of caster sugar and sliced onions. This isn't just a coating, it's a crunch enhancer that's going to make every bite unforgettable. And what's sweet and sour pork without that signature sauce? We're talking sunflower oil, finely chopped garlic, ginger, green or red pepper for that crunch, tomato ketchup, rice vinegar, sesame oil, light soy sauce, soft brown sugar, and for that burst of sweetness, pineapple chunks. Finished off with a sprinkle of sesame seeds for that extra touch of elegance. We deep fry our pork to golden perfection, then toss it into the wok with our vibrant sauce. Serve it up with fluffy rice or silky noodles, and you've got a meal that's more than just dinner. It's an experience. The pork should be lovely and tender before serving with the fluffy rice. And there you have it, folks, sweet and sour pork that's sure to impress. Whether it's a special occasion or just a cozy dinner for two, this dish is about sharing love, one bite at a time. So what are you waiting for? Dive into your kitchen and let the magic happen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious adventures. Bon appétit!